Hello friends, today's lecture is based on sums of different number system, and today's lecture is very important. I would like to suggest you to watch whole video, please. So we will start first from the sum of first five even numbers. Sum of five first even number, as we know that the even number starts from like 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. These are the five first even numbers. Usually uh, here if we count the total numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here n is equal to 5. So we are gonna to write the shortcut formula as we have formula n into n plus 1. This is the basic formula we would like to use in number system for the even numbers. This is basic formula. So by putting the values in this formula, we will get here n is equal to 5 into 5 plus 1. So we will get 5 into 6, which is equal to 30. So the sum of first five even number is 30. If we count these numbers, in a normal conventional way, we will get the similar answer 30. So second, what will be the first sum of first five odd numbers? So this is also an important method to solve the sum of odd numbers. Usually it is given by any examiner in exam. So the first odd number of sum of first five odd number would be, we have let's say the odd number or 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 and so on. These are the first five odd numbers. So what will be the sum of the odd numbers? We have formula is very simple, just n square. N square is the formula of first odd first numbers. As you can see that the total numbers here given are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 square must be equal to 25. Okay, so if we count these numbers in conventional way, we will find out the same 25 number, same figure. So if there comes any question related to the odd numbers, first five odd numbers, first 10 odd numbers, you just have to the square of the total number of n. So the third number is third question is the sum of first 10 natural numbers. As we know that the natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the first 10 natural numbers. So what will be the sum of first 10 natural numbers? These are we have also formula is we know that Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d. So and here we can see that n is equal to 10, and n means total numbers from 1 to 10. So this if we count this, n becomes 10, and by putting values uh, s10 is equal to 10 divided by 2 into 2 into a1 means first number multiply by 1 plus into n 10 minus 1 into d means difference. Difference mean 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 4 minus 2 is equal to 1. This means difference is 1. So by putting values here 10 1, so s10, so we are going to find out the 10th term. So s10 will be 10 upon 2 is equal to 5 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 9. So 5 into 9 plus 2 11, and this becomes 55. So if you count randomly as the conventional method, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus up to 10, you will get the same number of 55. Okay, this was a shortcut method to solve the sum of first 10 numbers. The next is sum of first 10 whole numbers. As we know that whole numbers start from 0 to infinity, and in whole number 0 is included in whole number, while without 0, which starts from 1 to infinity, is natural number. So these are very minor things. you must know. So the sum of whole numbers, sum of first 10 whole numbers will be as whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So what will be the sum? We have a shortcut formula for this. So the whole number starts from 0 to 10 for this problem, and the shortcut formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the shortcut formula. So by putting values, as we know that here is also the n is 10, n is 10, so 10 into 10 plus 1 divided by 2. So we will get 10 multiplied by 11, 10 multiplied by 11 divided by 2. So by solving this problem, 110 upon 2, which is equal to 55. So the sum of first and whole number would be 55. Similarly, you can be asked by such type of questions like sum of first 50 numbers, sum of first 30 numbers, 20 numbers, etc. So when you know what is the formula, you can easily solve. So this is the formula. Thank you so much for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for further updates. Thank you so much.